I'm Mandy Good. I've lived here in Cheyenne, Wyoming for about 14 years and worked at the law firm of Hirst Applegate pretty much that entire time. I came to Wyoming because of the quality of attorneys I found in the legal community here in Wyoming, and particularly because of the quality of the law firms I found in Cheyenne. And then I stayed in Wyoming because I loved what I was doing. I loved the people I was working with. And then I met my husband. We ended up having two wonderful little girls who are now 8 and 3. And we have actually looked at moving to a couple of different towns, mostly because we have family that live in other areas. But we decided Cheyenne was the place for us for a multitude of reasons. Primarily the school system and the schools that we have our kids in are exceptional, and our daughters are excelling here, and we're extremely hesitant to pull them out of such a wonderful environment. We have our older daughter in the public school system, and she's doing really, really well, loves school, and seems to be doing well in all of the subjects. And then our younger daughter is in the Montessori School of Cheyenne, which she has done really, really well at. So we really enjoy the options we've had and the quality of schools that we've found here. And then our daughters are also in several different activities. We've had them in dance. There's a couple of really good dance studios here in Cheyenne. Right now, our youngest one's in gymnastics and soccer. Our oldest daughter is in a ninja playground class, and she also does Girls on the Run and Girl Scouts. So those are a couple of the options that we're taking advantage of right now. As they get older and they get more into sports, we may transition into other things as well, but just the fact that we have the option to do that is fantastic, and we really enjoy the opportunities that our children will have here. And then as my husband and I can start going out a little more as the younger one gets older, we have a lot of friends that enjoy the new restaurants opening up in Cheyenne, and there's a lot of opportunity for us to get out, go hiking, go skiing, get on the lakes out here, so we're looking forward to that as well.